What's up everyone, Crypto Underground, and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis. I'm currently traveling, guys, so maybe you're gonna hear some background noises, but of course I'm gonna update you also when I'm traveling here through Italy, and that's why we're gonna have a look now into Bitcoin. Make sure to be subscribed to this channel, guys, Crypto Underground here, and remember, everything, no financial advice, just my own opinions. And right now, of course, we are seeing a nice bounce in the Bitcoin price, and I think that very soon we are going to resume here the uptrend and of course the bull run. We are still, of course, in a clear uptrend. We have still higher highs and higher lows, and what we want to see is here in the 4-hour time frame that Bitcoin breaks here this previous high that we had, this resistance here before we had another leg down, and this one is currently at around $119,000. So I believe that once we have again 4-hour closes back above $119,000, we have the chance to resume here the uptrend and go higher. And with Bitcoin, of course, also the altcoins, which are holding very nicely here right now. The price, also Ethereum, guys, is currently, in my opinion, a leading indicator also for Bitcoin in which direction that we are moving to next. And also here we're just waiting to have here a nice break of this kind of resistance trend line. Let me see if I can draw it over here, guys, because it's a bit weird to draw lines here on my mobile phone, but let me try that, something like this. But I think we're gonna just leave it like that, because let's see, here like this, you see, we just broke this resistance trend line in the 4-hour, so we need to stay above it, and now of course see continuation to the upside and take out the previous highs that we had here. So watch out for that, guys, because I believe that here will be a front runner and most likely also breaking to new all-time highs very soon. And of course this will be also bullish and a good indication for Bitcoin in which direction that we're moving to next, because you know my TA, guys, you know my TA here for the long term. I think that in the next coming weeks and months we will approach here the purple line, currently at around 145 to 150k, and once we break the purple line where we previously got rejected here based on the rainbow chart indicator for Bitcoin, we will go towards the orange area and the red area all the way up here towards $250,000. At least this is my opinions, guys, no financial advice, it's just what I believe that is happening to next, and I am of course currently trading likewise, and that's why I am currently sitting in a long position and waiting for the next big leg up of Bitcoin and of course of Ethereum and most of the altcoins. I'm not only sitting with the tier 1 coins, guys, I'm also investing currently into new upcoming cryptos that are extremely hyped right now for 2025, and one of them is of course Bitcoin Hyper, currently very hyped, this new layer 2 on top of Bitcoin that is upcoming. I bought into Bitcoin Hyper, you can also do that, links in the video description. And then of course we have also Maxi Doge, this new Dogecoin type of memecoin that is coming out, which is kind of a Dogecoin powered Dogecoin derivatives with the focus on 1000x leverage trading. Of course these are completely degen meme coin, but currently very hyped. I bought also into that one, and then of course also token 6900, which is the successor of SPX 6900. This one will start with just a market cap of 5 millions, guys, and this one is already at 2 millions. So that's why hurry up if you want to get on board before the launch, because I believe that those new cryptos that will launch during this altcoin season, they have a very good chance to very nicely perform here, especially once we start the big altcoin season. So if you also want to invest into new low market cap coins, the links are in the video description. Of course, guys, no promises, nothing with those new coins. You always are running high risk, but of course, whenever we are in an altcoin season, usually they are performing very well. That's why I bought in, guys. If you want to be following me, first of all, be subscribed here, and of course also check out all links in the video description, and let's see if we're gonna see here in the next coming weeks finally here Bitcoin going to new all-time highs, and of course approaching here this red zone up here at around $250,000, the potential cycle top of this bull run. Tune in every day, guys. I update you of course also whenever I am traveling, like now currently in Italy. So stay tuned, guys, be subscribed. Thank you for watching, and let me know what do you think. Is Bitcoin coming out here at 120k, or do you also believe like me that we are going up towards 200k and much higher levels? Let me know that, guys, and of course stay tuned, be subscribed. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.